Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing this because I got these guys in. Woo! Company 23 tools for the cam sprockets. Also got this guy for the what's it called? Crank pulley. That's right, crank pulley tool. So we're gonna knock these out, get these heads off. I might try to get the pistons out to see, since I'm suspecting ringland failure, so I might do that. We'll see if we'll have time though. We'll see how long these take. Let's get to it. Okay guys, I'm going to show you this. It's inside the oil pan. And let's see if you guys can see it. You guys see it? Houston, we have a problem. Look at all that metal. Damn. That's not a good sign though. Not a good sign at all. Alright guys, so I'm going to cut this video short and wrap it up right here. I'm going to show you what I just found. As you saw, there's tons of metal in the oil pan. So we go in here. First off, like you can tell, these are aftermarket rods. I just don't know which type. ARP focus. I need a freaking camera. This pisses me off. ARP 2000. Rod screws, I guess. I don't know what it's called. Gosh, camera can't focus. Try to get a look at. Okay, there we go. So that piston wall looks pretty good. But if you look at that one, try to zoom in here for you. Okay, so there you go. You see that? That looks like coolant and oil. And then this guy over here. It's pretty much the same one as across, and that one is almost similar to the one across from it too, but not as bad. So I think definitely that guy over there is a 40 PSI one. This guy is 100 PSI. So, I mean, compression test told a lot. I knew something was wrong, but yeah, for all that metal, probably definitely spun a bearing somewhere. So, tears everything out. I'm hoping there's no scarring. I hope I don't have to bore this out. And I still don't know about the heads, but it looks like this head gasket leaked. That's what it looks like. He did have a Killer B oil pickup, so that's a plus, I guess. So, hey guys, I majorly apologize for what I just did. I got the valve cover off and finally got all these cam gears off, so I am sorry for not recording that. Anyway, I was taking off these cam seats, I guess you call them, and look at this. So I just loosened this one. I didn't touch the other ones. Look. Look at that. Look at this one. All these are walked out on this entire cam right here. So that's probably one of the reasons why it blew up. Super off balanced. But I'll get you guys on a tripod, get time lapse going on this, and we'll continue getting this head out. I can't tell if these are like Brian Crower heads or not, or cams. So I know there's a part number right there, so I'll look up that part number. But yeah, let's get to it, I guess. Alright guys, finally got one of the heads off, and here we go. It is a closed deck EJ25 with ARP 2000 head studs. As you guys can see, that piston is effed. This was the 40 PSI cylinder, so yeah, we'll go over here to the heads. As you can see, that is toast. So I'm gonna have to talk to some people and do research and see what I need to do to maybe replace these valves. But yeah, can't believe this engine is closed decked out front. EJ 257 with CP 99.5 bore pistons. Oh man, look at all that rust in there. So I might have to bore it out again. Gosh damn it. I'm gonna have to take the whole block to the machine shop because of this guy. So that's awesome. As you can see, like this piston's pretty good. But yeah, CP 99.5 with an 8.5.1 compression. With what I suspect to be Manly H Tough Pro rods with ARP 2000 rod bolts as well. So I'm gonna get this baby to the machine shop, or disassemble everything, get her over to machine shop, probably bore her out, fix her up, reorder a piston. So I mean, I'm on a budget, guys, so I can't reorder brand new pistons or everything. So I'm gonna salvage what I can. If I need like a whole new set of pistons, I will. All right, guys, taking apart the second head, and yeah, that's what you're seeing. This was at the intake valve bucket just completely exploded. This is on the 100 PSI. Alright guys, we're back on Sunday now. Finally got this head off. This was super annoying. And as you can see, it's still there. I messaged Tanner's Media. But anyway, it was a B getting this thing off, because look at this. These are the wrong head gaskets. Like these are ARP 5 or 2000 bolts. These don't even fit. And it was the same thing with the head bolt holes. So he did not machine these heads to fit. Or if he did, they did it wrong. And he was off maybe like a thou or something. But yeah, I gotta try to pull this stupid head gasket off now. But hey, let's flip this over real quick. It's easy to flip. If you look at those pistons, those pistons look pretty similar. Piston walls. Here, let me get the white. So there's a lot of rust on that one. But that one looks pretty clean. So this is the 100 PSI cylinder. So I mean, that piston looks alright. So there might be ringland failure on this one, baby. Definitely on the other one down there, though. So yeah, let's get cracking on trying to get this stupid head gasket off, and we'll see if I'm in the mood to start taking the pistons off. Alright guys, well there you have it. There's an out front, closed deck, short block for you with CP pistons. And Manly H tough rods, pro tough rods. So, I decided I'm not going to do the pistons probably today, maybe tonight if I can get everything. My bench is just a mess, so I need to get more baggies for all these bolts so I can organize everything and all that stuff. So gotta do that, and then I have to go pick up that exhaust in Noonan, so it's like 3 hours cold drive. So that's gonna be it for this video. Next video we will be tearing down the rest of the short block, taking out the pistons, and seeing if there's ringland failure on top of an entire bucket valve exploding. So if you guys like this video, go ahead, drop a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to YouTube and Instagram, and we'll see you guys on the next one.